How to create a DJI Go account. Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you guys how you will be able to create a DJI Go account. So first of all, go ahead and open your web browser and type DJI Go account. Click on the option that says DJI Go account/register. Once you do that, over here you have to enter your email address, password, verify you are not a robot, then check the boxes and tap on submit. Then your registration is successful. You will also get a verification email as well. Then you will be directed to the official page of DJI Go account. DJI Go account is your gateway to maximizing the potential of your DJI Go drones and devices. By creating an account, you unlock a suite of powerful features including device activations, firmware updates, and flight data synchronization across devices. Enjoy enhanced functionalities like live streaming, flight logging, and access to DJI's global community for support and inspiration. Dive into the DJI ecosystem with your DJI Go account and take your flying experience to new height. Hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you guys in my next video.